Are you planning an international move from California? Let SDC International Shipping make it easier for you. We understand the complexities of moving abroad, and that's why Californians and people all over the United States trust us to handle their international moves. With our expertise and commitment to personalized service, we ensure that every move goes smoothly and meets your unique needs. From visas and work permits to packing and shipping, we've got you covered. We'll provide the support and information you need to navigate the process with ease. Choose SDC International Shipping, the reliable and experienced choice for your overseas move. We offer comprehensive services tailored to your requirements. Our transparent and competitive price quotes show our dedication to providing value for your money. We'll work with you to create a customized moving plan that fits your timeline. Trust our global network of partners to coordinate your move and ensure your belongings arrive on time and in great condition. When you choose SDC International Shipping, you're choosing a partner that understands international moves and is committed to your satisfaction. We offer a convenient door-to-door shipping service, taking care of all logistics and providing transparent shipping timelines. Rest easy knowing that your possessions are protected with our customizable insurance coverage. Ready to embark on your international journey with confidence? Visit sdcinternationalshipping.com today for a free quote. Contact us now and let us take the stress out of your international move. Your new beginning awaits.